Hello everybody, is my voice audible to all of you? Great. Hope everyone, my screen is visible to all of you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so friends, if you remember, like last time when we discussed about our application, so in that case, we have used uh, the details through which we can communicate from one service to another service. So we had this option like an NSA Spring Discovery. You remember like we discussed about enable Eureka server, and we also had one more option available here along with this server to communicate it further. We were also talking about like how you can use discovery client or Eureka client. So you see like here NAC Spring Discovery, NAC Spring MS Client and MS Main. If I open it up that, there's a project. Okay, let me check where we had. Okay, so here we had a client where you remember we were using this enable discovery or enable Eureka client. Okay, and you remember like we also discussed about what? The concept like an hystrix, okay, through which we can make sure that the client can communicate based on the request has been placed. And here we had a call delegate. And you remember like we also made sure like in case if the client is not able to communicate it properly, okay, so we increase the overall delay time. Okay, so we were in position to make this call, okay, and increase the overall duration time if the client wants to talk. Okay, because I told you by default the breakout time is 500 milliseconds. If the request is going beyond this 500 milliseconds, then this would be the issue. Okay, everyone. So this was our application through which we were able to talk and communicate. Okay, now I would like to give you one application which you people have to get it and understand how we can further interact with others. Because I tell you one thing here, whenever we interact with our backend applications, it's always important that we also offer the term name called gateway. What is it, everybody? So we are talking about a term name called what? Gateway. So there's a one option through which you will be in position to maintain the gateway through which The user can communicate from one URL to the another URL without knowing the exact position where the user really does exist. Okay, so we talk about a term name called what? The gateway. So let's see how the gateway can be introduced, but this I will discuss with you later on. First, I'm going to give you one project in which we have mentioned it everything with the help of database connectivity. So I'm sharing with you one zip file, which you all people have to download it and get yourself ready. Just give me a second. Friends, please let me know, did you able to see this link, the one which I shared with all of you? Everybody, please confirm. Are you able to see the link, the one which I shared with all of you? Everybody, please confirm. Did you get that link, the one which I shared with all of you? So that is a project which you need to download that. Okay. So once the download is over, kindly import it in Eclipse as a Maven project and let me know. Kindly import this as a Maven project and let me know. Please confirm everybody if all are done. So your project should look like that. Let me import. Friends, please confirm. Bernali and Akshay and Akansha has said done. What about others? Please help me. Yes, everybody, did you all import it? So friends, once you import this project, you will get to know there are so many properties classes are available. So if you see carefully, there are so many classes out there like in user entity, user repository, user service and all. And this project is also using this Eureka server. So I want to give you 10 minutes of time. Everybody listen very carefully. I'm giving you 10 minutes of time to walk through this complete project and see what each and every file and line is doing that. Because to understand this project or to execute this project, it is essential that you need to know about what this project is doing it before you step in. Everybody, are you all clear? Everyone, please help me with your confirmation. Are you clear what I said to all of you? Yes, everybody. Are you all clear? Friends, please give me a quick inputs in the chat. So as I said that you need to walk through the complete project, walk through each and every line, okay, and see each and every file what it is doing that, and let me know by typing done once you're completely ready and understood about what this complete project is doing. Then afterwards, I will tell you what next. Okay, so take your time and let me know. Let me know once you're ready, everyone, while going through each and every file. Friends, could you please guys let me know once your code is ready and well understood? Please help me with the confirmation in the chat if you all are clear or you need some more time. Please everybody help me with the confirmation whether you all are ready or you need some few more minutes to go through the code. Abhi, Kaliappan, Akansha, Banali, Saket, please tell me about the updates. Friends, please help me with the confirmation if you all are ready so that we can go ahead accordingly. Friends, my voice is audible to all of you. Everyone, please confirm, is my voice audible to all of you? So please help me with the confirmation, friends. What is the current status of the project which I've given to you? Are you gone through the complete code? That is an extension to what we have done so far. You see, like here, we have got this user controller, which is offering me two different type of function, slash users and sorry, slash status check, and then they call slash at the rate post mapping, which is anyways working on a root URL only. So it is taking the request in the form of request body and performing this job by using user service dot create user ETO. So this create user is a function. Okay, if you open, you see like here, user service IMPL is providing you the implementation of inserting the record into the database. See this, this is a function for me. Okay, here we have got a lot of commented areas which you can remove it. Okay, and get the basic simplicity of this example. Now, if I want to run, how will I run this now? That's the first question now. To make it run, you need to understand in my application.properties file, see the database related stuffs we have already given here. Yeah. So we have got this 8020. That means this application will be running under the 8020 with the name users-ws and see like here, localhost 777 Eureka. This is the server where location where the Eureka server will be running up. So your Eureka server is here. Try to launch. So it is launching. And after that, we'll be launching this application too. Okay, see, the setup is taking place. Eureka server and users WS is now ready. Are you clear? Everyone, please confirm everybody. Are you able to see the same setup in your browser? Please help me with the confirmation by typing done. If you're able to see the same setup, please. Yes, everybody, please confirm if you are able to see the similar outcome in your browser, please. Everybody, please confirm if you're able to see this now. No, Kalyapan, I don't think so. There should be any import because I'm not getting any error. It's very much imported. Just check and confirm. Everybody, you guys have got any kind of doubt, feel free to let me know. Friends, please confirm with your inputs in the chat. If you need any help, do let me know. As I could see, very few people are responding. Help us to please make sure that the application runs smoothly without having any errors. Because this portion of the microservice is very, very essential for all of you. Karyapan, can you share your screen? So at least we can fix your errors in case if you're facing that. Can you share your screen? Drag down. Drag down, drag down. Can you show me the user service IMPL class? Wait, do one thing, just delete this folder. Let me share with you the fresh one in case if it is not. Delete this file. Let me share the fresh one with you. You can delete this folder, photo app all user space. Delete this folder, photo app all user space. Project. No. The project itself, you delete it. Right click and delete. And check this, delete also from the disk, yes. Let me share with you the first one. Did you get this new link? Everybody, if anyone is facing problem, I've shared the new link with all of you. Extract it. Yeah. Right click and sit down in a new app here. Now, it is created so many folders here. Do one thing, create a new folder here. Create a new folder here called My App. My App. Okay. And copy this SRC to below target till below till POM. No. SRC until below POM. Copy or cut or paste it inside this My App folder. And import this My App as a project into your Eclipse. Not like that. Just say import it as a Maven project. Close this. Just a file menu. Import here. Import. Import. Just select this Maven. Select type Maven here. Existing Maven project. So browse. Paste. Select this. So finish. See, the errors are not there inside this. Got it? Now you try to launch your What is the discovery service? Launch your discovery service. Okay, so now you launch this application. Then last package you import, the last package you expand. Yeah, and launch this. Run as Java application. Okay, open your browser and say 7777 localhost 7777. Guys, do let me know if the code is also working fine. Open the another tab and say localhost 7777. See, it's there now. Okay, but it's not gonna work because you do not have a data. So you have to insert the record. Okay, so you can stop the screen now and post the record the way you want. Okay. Everyone, please confirm, is your code working fine for all? Now, in case if it was not working earlier, everybody please confirm. And in Postman, you will be inserting the record, but you also have to make sure that you have, sorry, here, when you click on this, okay, you say slash h2 hyphen console because it is using database. You see like localhost 8020 h2 console. When you say this connect, you should see the users table is getting created for you. Just confirm and let me know. And from here, we'll be posting the records. Okay, so better you post the record the way you want. Yes, user table is there. Now you have to add the record. Okay, so you have to add some property like an email. See the properties which we have it, which you have to insert it. You see this user entity table, which are the properties we have it? We will call email, first name, last name, and password. Are we clear? So these are the properties are available with us. First name, last name, email, and password. like this. The name of the proper URL, whichever we have it. So what we say, localhost colon 8020 slash users. I think that is the URL is available for us. 8020 slash users. Yes. So send, and you can see the new user would have been created inside your database. There you go. The records are inserted. Kindly confirm and let me know if the records are working in the same fashion. Everybody, please confirm if the records are working fine for all of you. I didn't get any update from anyone. Barnali, any update? Jaideep, what is an update from you? Neeraj, Rahul, Saket, Tanisha, Abhi, Akansha, please help us with your confirmation. What is your status? If you need any help, do let me know because it is the base of your project for our upcoming days. Please help your confirmation. Karyapan, what is the update from you? Are you able to insert the record into the backend database? Good job. I'm waiting for the others to please respond if the records have been inserted. What about others, friends? Are you all able to insert the record properly? Everyone? Friends, please confirm if you are all able to insert the record. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about our next thing. Now, we're going to talk about one very interesting feature of our development, and that is known as called API gateway. So when we talk about a term name called API gateway, especially when it comes to the Spring, you're going to get to know, like in Spring, we have got very futuristic feature called API gateway, which is responsible to make sure like when you are interacting with your services in a backend, they offer you the common window through which you can interact with any of the backend services, like any microservice, microservice 1, microservice 2, microservice 3. This API gateway helps you to avoid knowing the exact URL which is there behind the scene, because URLs may be many. Getting it, everybody? URLs may be many, but knowing those exact URLs may be the pain areas. So API gateway helps you to achieve dynamic routing. Again, I'm repeating the word called what? Dynamic routing, through which you configure all the routing centralized and let the Spring gateway take care about most of it. Okay, so let's get started with those API gateways. So here in my example, in the API gateway, what I'll be doing is, watch it. Here, let me stop this server. And here, the previous application which we had it here called NSCIT Spring Boot. Okay, I just copy this now and I change it to, or else what I do is I tell you like what otherwise I can do it here in my program. Let the server get stopped. Yeah. So I can take a copy of one of the project which we have taken. Suppose we talk about this discovery. I copy this, paste it here, and give the name called gateway. Okay, I provide a name called what? Gateway here. So the moment I provide a name called gateway, what would happen here is, watch it. In this gateway, I remove this enable Eureka server from pom.xml file. Everybody from the pom.xml file, I may not require anything beyond that. So let it be the Spring Cloud version. We will call Eureka server, whatever it is. Okay. So I will delete this Eureka server dependency. We're deleting it now. Okay. So here also we have to remove this as an additional dependency. Okay. So please do that first. I copied this discovery and rename it to what? NSC Spring Gateway. And here I remove this additional dependency which was there called Eureka server. And this I remove those annotations. Get it? So first thing what I'll be doing like in my SRC main resources in my application.properties, this server port number I will change to 8011. I'm removing all those additional dependencies. Okay. And here in pom.xml5, I would like to add one additional dependency of regarding to your cloud. Okay, so here what I'll be doing is Netflix hyphen Zoo. And I'll talk about a version, and the version we're looking forward for 2.2.9. Okay, and dot release. Okay, so please add this dependency and let me know by typing done. Application.properties file, you remove all the details except this, and here you'll be adding this dependency and remove the annotations from here. Let me know once you're done till here, and do not forget to type done in the chat window, please. Okay, everyone. So if it is all done, then we'll be going back to the application.properties file. And here I'll be defining our configuration. Okay, because this is the one through which we have to start giving the configuration. And how the configuration will be, let's take a look. Here we are saying Zool.routes dot, I can give any name. I can say okay. Now here you take a look. Like suppose if you're trying to access this NSEIT Spring Boot, imagine. Okay, where you may have some dummy records available to you, then how you'll be accessing it? Or else, if you already have this application with you that is called what to say NSE, what to say MS main. Okay, so what URL they are having it now? Uh, NSE MS, the one which you created, is in gateway. We have a call. May I know which project we were using it for communicating? Exception. Okay, I may have this application controller with me. Okay, which was saying load users, which was helping me to retrieve load users. Okay, so in case if I try to run this and let's see if it works fine. But this is running under which port number that you need to understand. This is running under 8090. The URL is /employees /load all. So I think that is the name we have it. /employees /load all. Okay, so let me save first and try to launch it. Stopping all the services. Okay, so if it is saying enable Eureka client, that means it is also expecting to launch the discovery service first. So let me launch the discovery service first, otherwise it's not going to work. And after that, I'm launching this application. Let me check meanwhile, since it's still launching. Yeah, EMP service is attached to this. So let me click on this EMP service. Okay, I'm getting all the records now, and here I'm launching the gateway now. But in gateway, I need to basically use one annotation called @ we have to use one very special annotation called enable Zool proxy. Enable Zool proxy. Okay, because otherwise it's not gonna work. Now let me launch. But once again, let me confirm the property file is working fine. Yeah. So let this launch. So this port number is 8011 slash say some issue let's check 8011 slash http localhost 8090. Or else let me try to save this and relaunch it. Can you guys relaunch it and let me know if it is at least working for all of you? Just try and check and let me know if it at least is working fine for all. Everybody, could you please check? Yes, everybody, please confirm if is it working fine for anyone. Yes, everybody, please confirm if it is working fine for anyone. I'm waiting for all. Kalepan, I would request you to kindly restart your all services and let me know. So Kalyapan, did you able to fix the issue? Okay, then no problem. I'm sharing the fresh project with you. You just try with that. Okay, I'm sharing the fresh project with you. Just try with this. Kalyapan and everybody, did you receive this a new file which I've shared with you in a chat? Did you get this file? Please confirm if you get this file. Yes, Kalyapan, can you please confirm me? Did you get this file? Banali, did you get this file in a chat which I shared? Yes, everybody, did you receive this file? The one which I shared in a chat, please confirm. Everybody? Okay, so please download this file, extract it and import it in your Eclipse, please.
Apa ya first itu paper call. Charge. Thank you.
Please confirm, did you able to see this now? This file? Yes, everybody, did you get this file which is there available here? API gateway? Okay, and here in the SRC main resources, you're gonna see this. It's already been there with a name called Zool Service 8011, and it will be running like that. Do not forget to change this localhost 7777 inside your project. Okay, so now you can launch it. But for this, you need to launch the first discovery service first. Okay, let me launch the discovery service. Okay, after discovery service, I'll be launching the photo app application. This is the photo app application. Yeah, photo app new. Okay, and I'm also launching this API gateway, all three. So all are about to run. It'll take a while to get it ready. You can see both the services are registered. So now this is my Zool service. To access this Zool service, what I'll be doing? Okay, what I'll be doing here. So here I'm launching it with using 80ws. We'll be saying users hyphen ws slash, what is the URL name here in my controller? It is called slash status slash check. Say slash users. Yeah, it's working fine. Can you please check? Slash users ws slash users. You can see now it is working through the API gateway, and this is working directly. Kalyapan, can you please check Banali? Everybody, you see like the gateway is working perfectly fine. This is through the gateway and this is through the direct service. Just check and confirm, please. One thing you need to make sure that here inside your application.properties file, you change this 7777. That is more important. In your Zool API gateway, the folder which I shared with you right now in this property file, just change this port number to 7777, and now it'll be working fine for you, just like that. Please confirm if the code is working fine. Kalepan, just check, or else you need to restart the services again. This may be the only challenge. Okay. Well, you guys can try this out offline the way I told, and just let me know tomorrow when we'll be catching us back. Okay, everyone? Kaliappan, Akansha, Bernali, everyone, is it okay? Yes, everybody, please confirm, is it okay? Jaideep, Sunita, Saket, Rahul, okay? So we'll be seeing you back again tomorrow to make sure that your code works fine. So we'll be taking this development ahead. Remember, tomorrow onwards, we are starting a project. Okay? So thank you, everyone. So see you tomorrow again for the same development. Okay? Thank you very much.